morning, everyone. Today I am going to be doing a what I eat in a day video, and I'm starting off with breakfast, and my favorite go-to breakfast is avocado toast. So that's what we are going to be starting with. I have my eggs out, bread, and then I got these avocado minis. A lot of times I buy guacamole, but this one was just avocados. And this is my favorite salsa. I usually get the organic kind, and I always get mild because hot is just too hot. But I saw this one and it's new, so I haven't had the sweet and spicy yet. So I'm gonna try that. They didn't have the organic, so. I don't always put green onions on my avocado toast, but I'm obsessed with green onions, so I don't know, I might put some on there today. It's a little later and I'm really hungry. And no avocado toast is complete without Cholula hot sauce. This stuff is my favorite and I have to have it on my avocado toast. So I'm gonna get started with the egg. Okay, here is everything that I'm going to add on to my toast. I've got my avocado already prepared, the tomato, the green onion, and of course my egg. So first I just put the avocado all over the toast. Sometimes I like to put butter on the toast, which I use a vegan butter, because I do not eat dairy. And I like that this is nice and chunky. This is my favorite breakfast because it is just super quick and easy to make. The best part this is good with bacon as well, if you want to put bacon on your toast. So that is it. This is my typical morning breakfast avocado toast. I will take a bite, but I promise you do not want to watch me eat with braces. It is no fun. Plus I just had them plus they were just readjusted and I had some new ones put on, so it is really difficult for me to eat the past few days. So good. This has got to be like one of my favorite things to eat ever. I'm gonna finish eating this now and I will see you at lunchtime. Alright you guys, after eating breakfast and getting ready, I decided that I'm gonna go ahead and get started on dinner because I'm gonna put it in the crock pot. Because when the evening rolls around, I'm never in the mood to cook, so I'm just gonna have it all prepared in the crock pot. And something that I've been craving for a while is stuffed pepper soup or unstuffed pepper soup. I used to get it at Culver's, and ever since COVID, they said they're not serving it anymore. So I'm kind of missing that, and I found a few recipes on Pinterest. So I'm gonna just either try one of them or just make my own version. They seem pretty simple with a few things changed up. So I've never made it before, but that is what I'm going to be making for dinner tonight. Okay, for a typical lunch, I usually make a salad, so that's what I'm going to do today. I have some organic romaine and iceberg in this bowl.
What was that?
Buddy,
Oh.
he's standing there staring at me, whining. Shh, buddy, quiet. And then I just got this seasoning the other night. It is Old Bay seasoning, and it says it's good for poultry, salads, and meats. And I was using a seasoning on my salad that had the same ingredients in it, but it also had cheese, and I don't eat dairy, but I really like that seasoning on my salad. So I found this. It contains celery salt, red pepper, black pepper, and paprika. Just a nice little seasoning blend that I like to put on my greens whenever I make a salad. And then I'm just gonna chop up whatever vegetables that I have available. And a lot of times I like to put egg in my salad, but I just had egg for breakfast. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some of this deli rotisserie chicken in. And I also got a new salad dressing, and it is Healthy Choice Power Dressing, Creamy Italian. It's made with cauliflower puree, Italian herbs, and sunflower oil. So hopefully that will be good. Oh, and also my favorite thing to put on salads are these organic croutons, and they're made from quinoa. And I like to just crumble them up and put them on top. They're super good. So here is what the finished salad looks like. It looks so good. And hopefully this dressing is good. I'm getting ready to put it on and try it out. Also, I am burning one of my new Bath & Body Works candles that I got for Christmas. It is the caramel drizzle and it smells so good. I just tasted the dressing and it tastes so good. The salad's so pretty. So pretty. I don't know if people want to see me eat in the video, but I have braces, so. Also, speaking of new scents, I wanted to show you guys these. I picked them up at Walmart and they are scent sickles. And they're like these little green things. They're ornaments and you put them on your tree and they have a really good scent. They smell really good. And then this is like a metal tin and you open them up and pour them in there. And when you want to smell it, you just take the lid off. And this color I think was the only choice that they had. But this one is Spice Pine Cones, which smells really good. And I haven't opened these yet, but I got another scent downstairs and it is called Oh Christmas Tree, and I hung these on the tree and I did that last night and I walked down there today and the whole room smells like a Christmas tree. So they're very strong, but I thought these were really nice when so I can have a nice scent whenever I'm not burning candles. This is what we are having for dinner, the stuffed pepper soup. And I made some garlic bread to go with it. And it looks really good. It's super hot, so I haven't tried it yet. Alright, now that it's evening time, I love to have a sweet snack before bed. So we're getting ready to watch a movie and we're going to have a snack. One of my favorite snacks are these Drizziliciois rice cakes. They are super good. My favorite flavor is the salted caramel bites. I am telling you, they're absolutely amazing. They're only 90 calories per bag. So the rice cakes are, they're mini rice cakes with chia, quinoa, and flax. So they're healthy, super delicious snacks. And my favorite flavor is the salted caramel bites. And which one are you gonna have? The s'mores?
Yeah.
So we're gonna have these now, and also they're gluten-free and GMO-free. I always said GMO, but I'll try one of yours and you can try mine. One of yours. I already know what mine is.
You already had those?
That was good.
That's good.
I like the salted caramel one though so much. I think these are amazing.
These are better.
Really? Also guys, if you want to try these snacks, you can get 9 free bags of these and you get to try all 3 flavors. There is cinnamon swirl bites, salted caramel, and s'mores. Just click the link below in my description box and you can get 9 free bags sent to you for just $3.95 shipping and handling. Also, you will get a 20% off Amazon code for future purchases. So just $3.95 shipping and you get all 3 flavors and 9 bags. And I promise you, they're absolutely amazing.
Those are the best.
Those? No, these are the best.
So, we try these out.
It smells very, oh my gosh, these are so good. I'm not even kidding. If I had a giant bag of this, I could never stop. Those are good too. super good snack. A nice sweet treat. These are a nice sweet treat if you are like us and you get a sweet tooth before bed. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my what I eat in a day video. This video is sponsored by Healthy Finds. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on a video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!